Well, hello, trombone players. It's Mr. Walls with you today, and we're going to work on Old McDonald Had a Band. This is page 13, song number 56 in your Essential Elements Band Method book. Hey, this is a really fun song to play, especially in full band when we have all the instruments there and all the different special parts of the song are being played by everyone. It's really cool. But one thing that you must remember is that there's a repeat sign at the end of the second line, which tells us to go back to the beginning and play the first and second line again before we go on to measure 13 to finish the song. This is very, very important that we remember to do this, okay? All right, one other thing for trombone players in this song. Trombone players very often get to play melody parts in songs, and very often they're playing the bass line of a song, much like a bass guitar. And we go back and forth in this song, basically every 2 measures. So for the first 2 measures of the song, you're playing the melody with everybody else. And then for the 3rd and 4th measures, you get to play a neat bass guitar part where you go bum, 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 bum. Okay? It's a really fun line to play, and you're the only people in the band that get to play that line in those measures, so it's really important. So let's just learn the first 2 measures of the song. In fact, let's just play the first measure of the song. It's 3 E flats. Make sure that your slide is not too far down the slide for your E flat. Keep the note in tune, and make sure that your tuning slide on your trombone is pushed out about 1.5 inches to 1.25 inches so that you're playing in tune with the rest of the band. So at the beginning we play E, 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 B. We go to the B flat on beat 4. Pretty easy. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do that again. Ready, play. And then we play C, C, B. That's the second measure. Let's play that, C, C, B. Ready, go. And chances are your arms are not as long as mine, so you really want to extend your arm out there and get that slide as far down the slide as you can so that your C's are in tune. Now let's put these first 2 measures together. We have E, 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 B, C, C, B. E, 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 B, C, C, B. Let's play it. 1, 2, ready, and play. Let's do that again. 1, 2, ready, go. So the trombones are playing Old McDonald Had a Band right along with everybody else. But then you switch over and you play half note E, half note B, and then the next measure, E, B, C, D. Let's play the half note measure. Let's play the E, then the B. And 1, 2, ready, go. Well, that's easy. Let's do that again. 2 beats per note. 1, 2, ready, go. And then you go a little trickier, right? So we just played a half note E and a half note B, and now we play those 2 notes again as quarter notes. E, B, and then play C, D. So let's play E, B, ready, go. And the next 2 notes, C, D, ready, go. Let's do that again. We'll play E, B, and we'll pause. C, D. Make sure that your D and your E are two distinctive different notes. You should not be playing your E and your D in the same wishy-washy position. They are different notes. So we're on E, E, B, C, D. Let's do that again. E, B, C, D. We do this 1, 2, 3, 4 times in this song because it repeats, right? So we really want to be good on this. E, B, C, D. 1, 2, ready, play. Having that memorized is very helpful. Let's do it again. E, B, C, D. 1, 2, ready, go. Now let's put the half note measure in front of that. We'll go E, B, C, D. 1, 2, half note E. Remember that the E and the B repeat, right? E, B, C, D. One more time. 1, 2, same place, play. Got it? And now we will continue. So this is the 5th measure of the first line. It's just like the beginning. E, B, C, B. We've already learned this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, E's, then B. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, E's. We go to the next line and we repeat the bass line. E, B, C, D. So if you've noticed, the first 4 measures of the song repeat themselves. You do the same thing twice. So here we are on the second line, going E, B, C, D. 1, 2, ready, go. And now it changes. We just go bum, 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 rest. We have another measure where we do not play. Other instruments will be playing. Ignore them. You will count your 4 beats of rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you'll play ti, ti, ta. Actually, it's the words to that are hear a quack. Okay? Remember, it's Old McDonald Had a Band. We're singing about ducks. So let's start at measure 9 on 3 E flats, followed by a 1-beat quarter rest, followed by 4 more beats of rest, and then we play ti, ti, ta on E flats. The same note we're playing at measure 9. Don't move your slide when you're resting the 5 beats of rest. So here we are at measure 9 with E, E, E. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest, 1, 2, 3, 4, beginning of the song. And it repeats back to the beginning. So let's do this. Let's start at the beginning of the second line, play the second line. When we get to the repeat sign, we will go back to the very beginning of the song. And I should tell you that in that last measure where you're resting, that when you're together with the rest of the band, you'll hear the drummers going cha, 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 cha. They play everywhere a quack, quack. So here we are at the beginning of the second line on our half notes. E, B. But we have to remember E, B, C, D. Go on to 3 E's. That's where it changes. So here we go. Second line, half note E, half note B. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to stop. I went back to the beginning, right? Those were our instructions. So here we are back at the beginning of the song. We'll start on the first measure. We'll play the first line, the second line, and then we'll go on to the third line. Ready? Beginning. 3 E's to a B. 1, 2, ready, and play. Half notes. Second line. Rest, 1 measure out. Now we play. Rest, rest, 1, 2, go on to measure 13, but we'll stop. Okay? So the second time we play the second line, we go on. First time we repeat, second time we go on. And it's just like the beginning. E, 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 B, C, C, B. You want to get really good at that. You play that a total of 5 times when you count how many times you play it in the repeats. So be really good at E, 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 B, C, C, B. Remember, when you go to that low B flat, you've got to be ready to extend your arm all the way out the 6th position really quickly, okay? So here we are at 13. E, 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 B, C, C, B. 1, 2, ready, and play. All right, so we've already learned that. Now we're at the end of the song, and song endings are different than the beginning or the middle. Very often, most of the time, the ending is different. So what we're doing now is we're stretching out some half note B flats. B, 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 B. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Let's play that. This is the third measure of the bottom line. 2 half note B flats, followed by 4 quarter note B flats. 1, 2, ready, go. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Make sure you're counting your 4 quarter note B flats because you're going to want to know when it's time to go to the next measure. Let's do that again. Same place. 2 half note B flats, 4 quarter note B flats. 1, 2, ready, go. And obviously I went on and played the last 2 measures of the song, and it's a kind of a surprise ending. Have you ever heard anybody knock on your door and go, shave and a haircut, 2 bits? That's the surprise ending of the song. It's a fun ending. E, B, B, C, B, B, E, E, B, B, C, B, B, E. Let's play it. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do that again. 2, ready, go. All right, boys and girls. Hey, make sure when you're moving to a different note than what you're playing, before you start moving your slide, you need to know what note you're moving to, right? Especially if you're playing an E flat or a D. Because if you move your slide in the wrong direction, you're really, making it tough to find the right note. So learn your notes really well. Once you can identify your notes easily, playing becomes so much more fun when you're not struggling with what's that next note, okay? So keep up the good work. Keep working on this song. It'll be great. Bye-bye.